Good day everybody, my name is Angelica A. Labungre and our topic for today is seeing if the water bottle full of water is going to float and seeing the differences between full of water and empty water bottle. And our materials for today are empty water bottle and a tub full of tap water because if we use mineral water it will be a big waste. Now let's fill up the water bottle with tap water. So let's see if the water bottle full of water will float or not. So as you can see, the water bottle did not float in the water. It just looks like that it floats in the video, but I promise you that in real life it does not. Now let's pour out the water from the water bottle. Then let's add the water bottle with no water. So as you can see, the empty water bottle floats on water. Differences are water bottle with water does not float and empty water bottle floats. So why did the water bottle full of water did not float? Since water is heavier than air, there is more force pushing down on a cup with water in it than a cup without water in it, and so it is more likely to sink. It's really the same reason that a cup of water feels heavier than a cup of air. So, why an empty water bottle floats on water? An empty plastic bottle has air inside which means that it reduces its density, due to which it is able to float over water.